Everybody, Godzilla 419 here with just a really quick little update. I've been hit for a couple of times with questions about these strange sounds videos. Are they, promos for, the upcoming Godzilla film? And, there's like one that's strange sounds in Alberta, Canada, and strange sounds in Mexico. They're not. They're all fakes. From what I understand, the original video that they're pirating the audio from is strange sounds from somewhere in the Ukraine, this little town. People are like, yeah, man, these strange sounds were heard and we don't know what they are. And from the one article that I read about it, more than likely the sound's wind blowing against a building, causing it to reverberate. Kind of like how if you blow over a bottle, it makes that kind of a whistle sound. Same basic principle, except it's the vibration of panels on the building and stuff. But yeah, they're all, regardless of if these are a real phenomena or not, they're not related to the Legendary Pictures film for Godzilla. So, just wanted to clear that one little thing up real quick, and that's it.